हेलो। हेलो सूरज, थैंक यू। Am I audible? Is my voice clear? Hi Priyanshu. Hello Ami, how are you? Let's just wait for 2 more minutes and then we are going to start. Thank you Ami. Same to you. Happy Women's Day. So today, as we all know, we are here to celebrate womanhood. We are here to celebrate ourselves. So happy Women's Day to all the women, ladies, girls, mothers, wives, daughters, sisters, and everybody out there. Happy Women's Day to all of you. Hi Meena, how are you? Hi Disha. So we all celebrate all the occasions, but sometimes womanhood is left behind. Thank you Suraj. So today we are here to celebrate womanhood, Women's Day, by talking about the various aspects that the woman needs to take care of. Woman should be somewhat selfish. She should add a pinch of appreciativeness into her behavior also. So all the things are necessary to make a woman a perfect lady, a perfect individual, so as to be settled in the society. So we are just starting off in just 2 more minutes. Thank you Divya, same to you. Happy Women's Day to you too. Hi Swati. Hello Nancy. So I think we should start now. Thank you Swati, same to you. Happy Women's Day to you too. So Women's Day, जैसे कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं, we celebrate Women's Day to appreciate the women, but why only on one single day? Throughout the year, each and every woman, whether working or a housewife, a married or an unmarried, all the women, they are doing something or the other for the family members, for herself also. Thank you Jyoti, same to you. Happy Women's Day to you. So इसीलिए आज हम यहाँ पर आए हैं जिससे कि हम कुछ बातें कर सके उन वुमेन के बारे में जो खुद को अप्रिशिएट तो करती हैं बट शायद दिखाने से डरती हैं। शायद वो ये सोचती हैं कि हम लोग अगर अपने आप को अप्रिशिएट करेंगे तो ये किसको अच्छा लगेगा, किसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। वाई? आई डोंट नो। बिकॉज अगर हम खुद को ही अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेंगे तो एक पर्सन है जो हमेशा ही दुखी रहेगा और वो पर्सन होगा खुद हम। And as the saying goes that if a woman is unhappy, she will keep the family unhappy. If the woman is uneducated, she will keep the family uneducated. If the woman is suffering, she will not able to provide her care to the family. इसीलिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है खुद को खुश रखना, खुद के लिए टाइम निकालना, खुद को अप्रिशिएट करना सीखना बिना किसी गिल्ट के। बिकॉज जितने लोग उतनी बातें, कोई तो कुछ कहेगा। वी आर नॉट एबल टू स्टॉप ईच एंड एवरी माउथ। हम लोग यहाँ पर किसी को ये नहीं कह सकते कि आप हमारी तारीफ करो। यू शुड नॉट कंसिडर आवर नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स। आई एम नॉट अ परफेक्शनिस्ट, हम यहाँ पे परफेक्शनिस्ट नहीं हैं, वी आर ऑल्सो अ लिविंग इंडिविजुअल. दैट इज वाई वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ द फैक्ट that everybody is here equal in the eyes of God, but first of all we should start considering ourselves equal. Thank you Manish sir, thank you so much. So let's come to the points now. So we are here to discuss some pointers about the Women's Day, like how the women are keeping themselves fit and what are the different things that a woman can do so as to keep herself happy and her family and the surroundings and the friends and the world a happy place to live in. So first of all we are talking about time and energy management. हम लोग इतना काम कर लेते हैं कि बाद में एनर्जी बचती ही नहीं है और लास्ट में थक के बोलते हैं एनर्जी नहीं है, हम खेल नहीं सकते, एनर्जी नहीं है, हम सुन नहीं सकते, एनर्जी नहीं है, हमें सोना है. Why to do so much work when we can delegate our responsibilities to all the other people around the house? Thank you Isha, thank you Kanshu. So that is why we should also take care of ourselves. We should keep the thing for the next day also. We can continue our work for the next day. We can do important works on the urgent basis on a single day, and दूसरे दिन भी हम उस काम को कर सकते हैं. दूसरे दिन किसी ने मना नहीं किया है कि आप वो काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये तो हम खुद हैं जो अपने ऊपर इतना हैवी बर्डन लेके चलते हैं. वाई वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ अस ऑल्सो. अगर सारी एनर्जी चली जाएगी तो बच्चों के लिए, अपने लिए टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए, रिलैक्सेशन के लिए कुछ नहीं बचेगा, एंड वी विल बी फिल्ड ऑफ गिल्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द पॉइंटर्स दैट वी कैन कीप इन माइंड आर, we can keep a diary in which we can prioritize our work, that which is the most important work that we can do, which is the least important work that we can leave for the next day. And second, what we can think of, delegate the responsibilities. We can give our responsibility to the other people in the house, to the husband, to the kids, to the other family members, to the friends, so that the work will be finished and you will be able to spend a gala time with the family members also. You will not be able to feel that you are not loved on that particular day. That is why हमें कुछ चीज़ों को अपने आप से ही डेलीगेट कर देना चाहिए. ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए वो क्या सोचेगा, हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, उसके बाद में जो टाइम मिलेगा वो कैसा होगा, और चीज़ें भी हमें ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए. Thank you Monica, hi Priyanka, thank you Isha. So next but not the least, we should be able to review our day at the end. Like हमने कौन सी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आज अच्छे से की, हमने कौन सी चीज़ आज छोड़ी, कौन सी चीज़ हमें कल करनी है. अगर ज़्यादा छूट जाएगा तो शुड बी फील निगलेक्टेड, शुड बी फील नेगेटिव? No, not at all. We should be able to think that what best can we do tomorrow, what best can be done with others tomorrow. It's about companionship. It's not about just the woman. It's about every individual who is surrounding a lady. Yes, very true Suraj. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength, because strength तो हमें तभी आएगी जब हम खुद में strength रखेंगे. So that is why we should take care of all the facts. And last point is we should learn to say no. Why take the burden on our light shoulders every time? हम लोग सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, हमें ये फैक्ट मानना चाहिए, हमें इस गिल्ट से निकलना चाहिए. That we can say yes to certain things, we can say no to certain things also. Thank you Ankur, thank you Jyoti. So that is why we should delegate our responsibilities, we should shift our responsibilities, we should prioritize our requirements and look for the best in the near future. Now let's come to the next point, shared responsibilities. We were talking about it earlier also that we should share our responsibilities. But होता क्या है कि हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम ही सबसे बेस्ट हैं, जो काम हमने कर दिया वो कोई और कर ही नहीं सकता. Why to keep that fact in the mind? We are also learning. After marriage, after having children, after getting to know certain people, we are learning at each and every stage. So why not give the opportunity to other people to learn also? हम उनको opportunity नहीं देना चाहते, keeping all the things to ourselves. So ये point मन में नहीं होना चाहिए. We should be able to share the responsibility. Maybe वो काम इतना अच्छा नहीं होगा, maybe वो काम बहुत अच्छे से टाइम पर पूरा भी नहीं होगा, but still one day it will happen that the person you like to spend your time with will be able to make you proud by doing that thing in a particular way as expected. So if we are shifting our responsibilities, the kids will also become better person. The husband will also appreciate your efforts towards the family. The family will also understand your needs and desires. The friends will also be able to lend their hands to you because they know that this is not the work that you are expected to do. Because they know that you are not supposed to do all the work in the world and they are there to help you. So that is why you should have the saying in your mind that you should lend your hand. You should take the help from others. You should not ignore their responsibilities also. So that is the next point that we can do. And at the same time, the kids will be able to clean their house. They will be able to do the household chores. They will be able to understand that yes, my mom is working today, so it is my duty to take care of the house. We can shift our roles for a second. We can shift our roles in a week. We can shift our roles in a month, whatever is suitable to anybody. So that is why shifting the roles is very important. Third, least important is not there anything in the dictionary of a woman. Third point that we are talking about, self-love. This is what I was talking about, having a me time in the dictionary of a woman. होता क्या है कि हम मी टाइम सोचते रहते हैं कि कल से स्टार्ट कर देंगे. I will take care of my appearance from tomorrow. I will start going for jogging tomorrow. I will start going for aerobics classes from tomorrow. I will start going to attend the library tomorrow. I will start attending the seminars tomorrow, but that tomorrow never comes. Thank you, Zahur. So, tomorrow को today में change करना ही एक art है. So that is why we should keep in mind and we should have a determination and willpower that yes, हमें ये सब change करना है, हमें अपने आप के लिए भी time निकालना है. Believe me, if you keep time for yourself, you will feel on the top cloud. You will feel that yes, I have done something for myself. Now it is my duty to take care of others also. Now it is their duty to take care of me also. Suppose I am busy in my office. Suppose I am busy in my kitchen. Suppose I am busy outside doing some work for the society. So isn't it the job of the family members to do a bit for me also? I am a part of the family. I am their companion. I am their housemate. I am not a house servant. So it is their responsibility to take care of me. And why do have the hesitation in taking the help and in taking care of yourself? Appearances are important because first impression is the last impression. अगर आप अपना ध्यान खुद से रख सकते हैं तो आगे भी दूसरों का ध्यान रखेंगे. अगर आप अपना ही ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे तो दूसरे आपका ध्यान नहीं रख सकते हैं. As you have heard, positivity attracts positivity, negativity attracts negativity. Positive books पढ़ना स्टार्ट कीजिए. You can read various books on positivity. ऐसा सुना जाता है कि हम लोग पॉजिटिविटी की बुक्स रीड करेंगे और कुछ मैजिक हो जाएगा. बट मैजिक एक दिन भी नहीं होता है. Magic will happen, but it will happen in a year. It will happen in a month, depending on your willpower also. So that is why read positivity books. Stay away from negativity. You can hear people criticizing you. So take care and keep that in your stride. Yes, this is the criticism I can improve upon myself instead of feeling let down by other people. Thank you, Sheetal. So what else can you do? The most important thing, हम लोग काम करते हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि वहाँ से हमें बहुत अप्रिसिएशन मिलेगा और जब अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलता है वी फील डिसअपॉइंटेड. अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलता है तो छोड़ो, अब कल से नहीं करेंगे. So instead of thinking like that, we should pat ourselves that yes, you are amazing, you have done a wonderful job. Be your own analyst, be your own judge, be your own principal. Because you will learn from yourself your own mistakes. That is why it is very important that you should pat a back yourself. You should feel appreciated yourself. At the same time, moving outside for a movie, walking in the lawn barefoot, lying on the bed without thinking of anything, reading a book without having knowledge of the author of the book, and moving in the car, driving the car without any purpose, doing something that is relaxing your mind is very important because health and mind both go hand in hand. If you are healthy, your mind is healthy, you will be able to encourage anybody, you will be able to face any adverse situation. Thank you, Sheetal. Thank you, Suraj. So that is why shed your guilt, move outside, and leave the rest to the God. He is there to take care of you. If you are not taking care of yourselves, you are attracting the negativity, and nobody is there to take care of you. Take care of yourselves. The world is there before you. At the same time, what you can do, you can just take care of your physical and mental health by, I have told you many things, you are doing many things. You can also opt for various hobbies. Dancing, why not dancing? Dancing will keep you fit also, the mind will also relaxes, and the concentration will also be there. Thank you, Purva. So that is why the physical health is very important. At the same time, we should not ignore the meditation to keep our mental health in a proper condition, in a proper shape. Because if we are not taking care of the mental health issues, it will lead to the devastating results. It will lead to frustration. It will not give you the benefit that you are seeking for. That is why the mental health is also very important. What we can do for improving our mental health? We can go for meditation. We can also talk to a friend who relaxes you instead of giving you negative vibes. Because if there is negativity, instead of relaxation, you will feel like dumping the person down. So feel relaxed, keep yourself away from the negative people. If you are in company of negative people, just listen to them from one ear and throw their words outside from the other ear. Because that is important for you as a person. So keep away negativity and attract positivity. Be the model that you are. You also become a positive person so that the people will get attracted towards you. Instead of shooing away everybody from your place, you can attract the person by relaxing the mind. Stay away from the negative conversation and the talks. Last but not least in this point is that we can keep a diary, we can keep a journal, and we can write down our emotions. We can write down our feelings on a small page of paper. I will tell you just one incident that once upon a time, there was a long time back, that I was feeling devastated. I was not feeling good about myself. I just started writing a journal and I started feeling well after that. I was not having anybody with me. I was not having to wipe my tears. I was not having anybody to share my talks. I was not interested in sharing myself with anybody else. Just by chance, I started writing on a piece of paper and it had done wonders to me. I felt that I have said my thing to somebody. I felt that somebody is there to hear me out. And who was that somebody? It was just me, myself, my own reflection. But at the same time, I felt relaxed. I feel light-hearted. My heaviness just vanished in that particular moment. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे से मेरी भी बात कोई सुन रहा है. मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे मैंने अपनी बातें दूसरों को बोली है, तो उससे अच्छा है कि मैं अपनी बात एक पीस पे लिखूं. चाहे तो मैं उसे संभाल के रख सकती हूँ, चाहे तो मैं उसे फेंक सकती हूँ, चाहे तो मैं उसे जला सकती हूँ, चाहे तो मैं उसे प्रिजर्व कर सकती हूँ, बट एटलीस्ट माई इमोशंस विल बी वेल प्रिजर्व्ड एंड दे विल नॉट बी मेक and nobody will be there to make fun of those emotions, because these are the precious part of my human life on this earth. So that is the point. Keep a diary with you, keep a journal with you, maintain it properly and assess it on a regular basis. What else can be done? Can you think of some points? The truth of life that a woman faces. Can you just suggest me some truths that are needed to be taken care of? Can you think of just instances that a woman have faced in her life? So I'm just discussing about some truths that we are facing in our lives. Some truths can be, I told you, be selfish in some moments. Add some tadka in your selflessness. Because when you are adding some selfishness, what you are doing? You are not doing anything. You are just making yourself feel happy. In this also there is one story that once there was a mirror. In the front of the mirror, when the person was talking, he was talking about everyone. He was talking about the family. He was talking about the friends. He was talking about everyone. And in the end also, he was not feeling happy. And he realized why he was not feeling happy. Because he has not taken care of a most special person, that is he himself. that is the person who is looking into the mirror. So at that particular time, he decided that he will keep himself happy because that is the living soul he is blessed with. So after that, he started taking care of, and after that he started taking care of himself, and he was able to move out of the difficult situations also, because in his mind he was having the clarity, in his mind he was having the decisiveness, in his mind he was thinking that when I am happy, I have the right to make others happy too. Yes, Vasudha. Yes, exactly. Everyone has their ups and downs. It takes time to heal oneself. It always takes time and willpower to move out of a certain situation. But the situation is not impossible, because the thing that we are showing to the world, it is the real thing. And it is important to hide some things from others. At the same time, it is important to expose yourself in front of others, those who are understanding you. There is no point in spreading yourself in front of everyone when some people are not able to understand you at that moment. So we should be able to judge the people with whom we can expose ourselves, with whom we can hide ourselves, because as a human being we are having our own thought process, we are having our own emotions. If we feel that somebody is making fun of our emotions, if we feel that we are getting taunted because of our emotions, somebody is feeling bad due to our own condition, at that moment I don't think that anybody will feel happy about it. So it is better to keep something to ourselves. It is better to keep something to some people who can understand us. And obviously time is the best healer. You will not be able to understand anything till a suitable time comes. But what we can do, we can just learn, we can just practice, and we can just move ahead with time. That is the best thing that we can do. Right? So next and the most important thing that we can do but we never do. हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं बट हम कभी करते ही नहीं हैं. What is that point? That is the self motivation and the affirmation. That means we have to self motivate ourselves each and every day. We have to affirm, we have to put out the affirmations in front of everyone. We have to say that I am the best. We have to say that I am amazing. We have to say that I am the loving mother. I am taking care of my children in an amazing way. Obviously, we'll be learning in the process. And we should be able to say that I am here to take help from others. I am here to seek help from others whenever it is needed. I am not egoistic to just listen to others and throw rubbish on everybody else. That is why we should be having the open arms to each and every person who is taking care of us. And I also deserve time to relax myself, to relax my body, to relax my heart. If I am relaxed, if I am happy, if I am in a position to take care of myself, ultimately it is the family who will be having the things in return, who will be having the goodness in return. So that is why most importantly we should take care of ourselves. We should do self-love. Nobody is there to love you, but we can love ourselves. If we are loving ourselves, we'll be able to move outside somewhere or the other. We should be able to move out of our comfort zones also. If we are moving out of our comfort zone with our own willpower, at the end of the day, it is you only who will say that I am an outstanding person who can do whatever I want to do. So now, these are the various pointers that we can do to take care of ourselves. At the same time, it is the duty of the family also, who will be having something in their own hands to make herself more appreciable, to make herself more presentable, to make her a lady who is respected everywhere. What are the things that a family can do? Can I have some guesses from anybody? Can I have some points from anybody? And we can proceed after that. What the family can do. There are so many things that all the males, all the children, all the family members are doing for a woman. But some more things that we can do. Can I have some examples from anyone? So right, let's come to the next point, that what a family can do. First of all, sharing responsibility is very important. Secondly, we should take care when it is needed. Thirdly, we should be able to say that yes, I will be able to help you whenever you are needing me. And fourthly, believe in her and support her development. Make her feel special once in a while. What you can do to make her special? You can hold her hand and just walk through the woods. You can hold her properly and walk through the town. You can just hug her whenever it is needed or not needed. You can just lend your ear to her so that she will listen to your conversation, so that you will listen to her conversation, and at the same time you will be able to feel her that she is a member of the family, not a thing in the family. And it can happen with anybody. I'm repeating again that it can happen with anybody. When a mother is coming from the work, when I used to come from the school, I used to have my family members waiting for me. Sometimes I used to get a tea in front of me and I drink the tea. After that, my whole tiredness used to vanish. I used to feel that yes, I can do anything for them. Just a small cup of tea can do wonders. After bedtime, you can just offer her a small packet of biscuit along with tea and she will feel on cloud 9. So all these things we can do. And what else can a family member, can a husband, can a child do? I do want to hear your comments. Please write down in the comment section. If you want the whole programs, pointers, you can just leave your email address. I will check out on these and get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have liked the conversation. I hope you have liked the pointers. And please let me know your responses in the comment section below. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day and I hope you have a wonderful Women's Day ahead. Thank you and bye.